Alright, today we're going to do a couple of different looks with the Creative Flow, a Lightroom presets and profiles, and we've got this nice raw file. I took this one outside of Palm Springs, or I believe it was in Palm Springs, and let's take a look. We've got ISO 100, 24mm, and f8. So let's get started, and I'm going to do a couple of different looks with this file. So we're going to go over to the Creative Flow, and let's try the first collection, the Signature collection. This one has some nice subtle looks to it, and the first thing we're going to do is auto tone this thing, and let's scroll through. And actually I'm liking this one right here. Let's go with this one. Alright, so let's check out before and after on this. Get a little closer. Okay, so I'm going to save this image and put it up on the website, and moving on to our next edit with this, I'm going to reset it right here on this little 0 guy. Alright, so let's try something different. I'm going to close this down and just fit it right here. Let's open up the film roll collection and see what we get. So I like to auto tone this, of course, and maybe we'll try something. I'm going to try one of these Kodak colors. Actually kind of liking this one here, right here. That looks really nice. I'm loving that one. So let's go with this. Check out before and after. Beauty. It's got that film look. I love the colors in it. Nice amount of green. So I'm going to save this one, put it up on the website, and let's keep going. Okay, let's close down this, and I'm going to fit that to screen, and we're going to try something a little different. We're going to use some of the profiles. So I'm going to go back to the Signature collection just to auto tone this quickly and find something that is pretty good, because again, the Signature collection is pretty subtle, but it has some nice looks to it. So I'm just setting it up for a profile. So that one's pretty good, and now we can go to profiles. Let's go up here, and let's go down to film. Let's try some of those and just nicely scroll through. Ooh, it looks really nice. And this is just changing the color profiles. Actually, I love that one. That looks amazing. Very nice. We can check out before and after on this. Look at the difference there. Beauty. Look at the colors and the props. Looks pretty amazing. All right. So we can reset this and go to the next photo. And now we can try a couple more looks with our Creative Flow. And I'm going to try something completely different. Let's go with vintage, since this is a nice vintage plane. And let's see what we can do. I'm going to auto tone it and go down to something. Actually, I'm liking one of these. That's a nice look. That's a nice look. I'm going to actually go with this one right here. I'm loving that. Okay. There's before and after. Closer look. And again, I'm posting these up on the site so you guys can see, and I'll show you the presets that I used for this. So let's do one more. I'm going to reset this again and close this down, and let's try something kind of different. I'm going to go to extreme, and we'll see what we can do. So I always like to auto tone these just to get started, and go to, I'm going to try something. That looks really great. Here we have before and after. Beauty. Alright, so that was it. I'm going to post these up on the site so you guys can see which presets that I used out of the Creative Flow and profiles. Hope you enjoyed the video.